Hello everyone, my name is Onohije Pogoson and I'm a field application specialist here at IMCS. Today I'll be demonstrating the capabilities of the MidiPure IMCStips for automated plasmid purification on the Dynamic Device Lynx system. Traditional plasmid purification relies on spin columns or vacuum manifolds, which are manual, time-consuming, and difficult to scale. IMCStips technology changes this by integrating patented dispersive solid phase extraction into a pipette tip, essentially an SPE-in-a-tip technology, automating the purification process within the liquid handling system. Its loosely packed resin maximizes contact time through turbulent mixing, while compatibility with automated liquid handlers enables high-throughput workflows. This results in reliable purifications in a shorter amount of time. The automated approach streamlines multiple binding cycles as well as washing and elution, reducing hands-on time while ensuring high reproducibility. MidiPure IMCStips eliminates inefficiencies with manual spin columns by fully automating the purification workflow, allowing the processing of up to 24 plasmid samples simultaneously in under 2 hours. Designed for larger volume processing, MidiPure can convert automated pipetting systems with 5 ml pipetting mandrels into mid-scale plasmid purification platforms. In this demo, we are using MidiPure IMCStips to purify plasmid DNA from bacterial cultures on the Dynamic Device Lynx platform. First, we pellet and lyse the overnight cultures using alkaline lysers. Next, we set up our decks and labware on the Dynamic Device Lynx to process the lyse samples using the MidiPure IMCStip. Each of the IMCStips is a 5 ml pipette tip packed with silica resin that binds to the plasmid DNA. The automated workflow comes with a templated script that allows the user to make any adjustments. This automated method is completed in just under 2 hours and begins with equilibration followed by sample binding. Next, the wash and dilution steps follow. Throughout the run, I can monitor the progress of the experiment on my screen, but there is not much I need to do aside from retrieving the purified plasmid DNA at the end of the run. Our results demonstrated that the MidiPure IMCStips effectively purifies plasmid DNA with high yields and excellent purity. Using 150 mg of silica resin per tip, plasmid DNA yields reach up to 117 micrograms per sample with a 260:80 and 260:30 ratios comparable to spin column methods. The system successfully processed lysate from up to 500 ml of bacterial culture, highlighting its scalability for mid-scale purification. The plasmid purification on the Dynamic Device Lynx with the MidiPure IMCStips delivers an efficient, scalable, and fully automated solution for purification of high-throughput plasmid DNA. So if there are any questions about the 5 ml MidiPure IMCStips on the Dynamic Device Lynx, please reach out to our technical sales team or directly on our website at IMCStips.com, or you can also send us an email directly at inquiries@imcstips.com. We can also be reached at our toll-free number 1-888-560-2073.